Hello, my name's Kevin Estes. I'm principal at James T.Alton, and tonight's our opening house, and we're just so excited for the new school year. We're happy to meet our new students and our parents. I want you to come out and see our new faculty and staff. We got several new faculty and staff. It's just going to be a great year, and it's a great place to be at is James T.Alton Middle School. So come on out.
The Hardin County Schools is a great place to work. We're currently hiring bus drivers, custodians, child nutrition workers. You can apply online at www.hardin.kyschools.us. We have great benefits, good competitive pay, and it's a great place to work, especially if your children attend Hardin County Schools.
My name is Coach Coleman. I'm the girls basketball coach here at James T.Alton Middle School, and we're looking forward to a great season. So I hope to see a bunch of young ladies come out and participate in a winning program. We also have Patricia Sharps over here that is our cheerleading coach, recruiting for their cheerleading season, and our boys basketball coach, Coach Buchanan, is over here as well. So come join a great team.
Hello, I'm Coach Sharps from James T.Alton Middle School Cheerleading. We're going to be hosting tryouts from August 15th through 17th, so I'd love to see a bunch of girls and boys come and try out for our cheerleading team.
Hi, I'm Marisa from the Healthy Kids Clinic. Starting January, you're going to be able to see a nurse practitioner in your school.
Hi, my name is Teresa Ovison, and I'm the Youth Service Center Coordinator here at J.T. Alton Middle School, and tonight we're here at Open House just to let our parents know what we have to offer their families and their students.
Hello, I'm Charles Lewis. I'm an off-site therapist with Communicare, and we offer pretty much giving students the coping skills and the things they need to adjust. If they're new to the school, new to middle school, we kind of give them the skills that they need to get through the day and to kind of cope with those stresses related to transitioning from elementary to middle school. And we also offer clinic-based services also, and along the same arena, just to get them adjusted to the school environment and things of that nature.
Hello, I'm Bob Macy with the North Hardin Lions Club out of Radcliffe, Kentucky. We're here at J.T. Alton tonight doing vision screenings. We're very active in the community. We do continued vision screenings at the open school. We also go to the elementary school and things. We are located on East Vine Street in Radcliffe, Kentucky. And we invite you to join us at our meetings at the first and third Tuesday night of each month.
Hi, my name is Candace Young-Otonu, and I'm with Devers Middle School and Teen Center. We pretty much have a variety of clubs and activities that we plan throughout the whole summer and throughout the whole school year. Come and join us because we have so much to offer. And on top of that, if you're military affiliated, DoD civilian, active duty, or retired, you're able to sign up.
I'm Roger Wheatley. We're with Troop 152, and we teach young men, young boys from 11 to 17, character, outdoor skills. We go canoeing, camping, first aid, and we teach them the Boy Scout oath and law so that they grow up to be cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, reverent, loyal, trustworthy, and all those things that you want your boys to be.
I'm Coach Buchanan. I coach 8th grade basketball here at J.T. Alton. We will start our tryouts the last week of September, and our first game will be October 29th. So if you're interested in trying out, please see me or call the school and get with Mr. Rowland, the AD, and he can put you in touch with me.
My name is Laura Lynn. I'm with Silkworm Custom Screenprinting, and we are printing the spirit wear for the school tonight at Open House. You can get a t-shirt, a long sleeve, or a hood, and it's printed right here, so you take it with you when you leave.
You got a lot of great designs.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
Hi, we want to remind you that all of our students get a free breakfast, so I would like for them to come in every morning and eat. If you have any questions about your child's account, what they owe, or what they purchased, you can go to mypaymentsplus.com. You can also fill out the reduced and free lunch form there, and if you don't have access to that, you can always request that form through the school, but it should also be sent home with your children at the beginning of school.
I'm Marisa Hatfield. I am the Practical Living Vocational Studies teacher, and we are collecting parent emails for the distribution list that we set up. We've got it on a Google Doc to help speed the process up at the beginning of the year. Parents can enter as many as they want, and it allows us to communicate very quickly and efficiently with a large number of parents at one time.
I'm Ryan Newman, the physical education and health teacher here at T.Alton Middle School. Over at this area, we're selling the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade floor t-shirts that they can wear on JTA Pride Day.
All right, I'm Mr. Elam, and this is my assistant Amelia. How you doing? We are here selling the 7th and 8th grade JTA shirts. Getting ready for this beautiful new school year, and we are so happy. We cannot wait. I love school and education. Woo!
Hi, I'm Ellie Baker, and I'm working at the Infinite Campus Parent Portal table tonight. And parents can sign up, and we give them all the information they need to log into the computer, and they can access their child's Infinite Campus. They can see their grades, they can check their absences, and they can keep track of their assignments. They can see if they're missing any work, and it helps the parents stay more up to date on what's going on than just getting the information out on a progress report or a report card.
Thank you guys for coming. We look forward to a great year here at JT Alton.